Welcome, listeners, to another episode. Today, we're diving into a fascinating intersection, energy conversion and its profound impact on ecological interactions.
Exactly, Sylvia. Think of Ms. Nomius's grade 12 physical sciences class at Mississippi Secondary School. She masterfully connected gravitational pull to ecosystem dynamics. It's brilliant.
Absolutely. She explained how the Earth-Sun gravitational pull mirrors the magnetic attraction between entangled particles, just like ecosystems.
And it all boils down to interconnectedness, predator-prey relationships, energy flow in food webs, all dictated by these fundamental energy exchanges.
Don't forget Hess's law, Bethuel. The total energy change, say in decomposition, remains constant, regardless of the pathway.
Yes, it simplifies the complexity of nature. Energy conservation is elegant, even in the messiness of ecology.
It's like Ms. Nomiusa explained, even diseases can disrupt this energy balance, a point brilliantly raised by one of her students.
Precisely. Diseases alter the energy flow, akin to a rogue gravitational anomaly, affecting the entire system.
And understanding these energy exchanges is crucial. It allows us to predict and, more importantly, mitigate environmental changes.
A powerful reminder that everything is interconnected, from quantum entanglement to ecological balance. Until next time.